A circle. That's right. Circles make great wheels because they're round and can roll. But we can't use just any circle. We have to find a circle that's the same size as this circle wheel. Take a look at these circles. Which one would make the best wheel for Panda Scout's wagon?
Which one, Nick?
That one. Right there.
Right there?
This circle is the same size as the other wheels on Panda Scout's wagon. It's a match. We fixed her wagon.
You fixed it, Nick.
We're on a roll
Yeah.
now.
You fixed it with moves.
This is that.
Yeah.
It's triangle.
Yeah. Look.
Is it broken? Don't go away.
And it's a triangle?
Yeah, it's triangle.
Who's that?
Okay, you?
Yeah, Pocoyo.
No. Oh, it's a book?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What happened? What happened?
I don't know what happened.
What happened?
I don't know what happened.
It's no. It's Pagayo.
Mhm.
What's that?
Who's that?
What's that? What's that? What's that?
Gio. Who's that?
Millie.
Yeah. Millie? And who's? Hold on. Who's that?
What?
Mhm.
Millie?
Really?
You?
Gio?
But?
Yeah.
You? What? Millie?
Welcome back.
You're
Shape repair.
gonna fix it.
It looks like this kite could use a new shape.
It sure could. Look, my kite is missing a shape right here. And now it won't fly.
Won't fly? Oh my! Take a look at this kite. What shape is missing?
What shape is missing?
Triangle.
Yeah.
That's right. The kite is missing a triangle. A triangle is a shape with three sides, like this. We need to find a new one. Help me look for one on this wall.
Where is it,
When you
Nick?
see a
It's
triangle,
a triangle.
It's right there?
Yeah, right there, triangle.
Triangle.
good eye. This is a triangle.
It's straight.
That doesn't look
Right, right?
The triangle doesn't fit like this.
Uh-oh. What do you do?
What should I do to make this triangle fit? Great idea.
What is he gonna do?
We'll turn it around.
Turn her around?
The triangle fits. Now the kite is fixed. Here you go, Ted Wardo. Ready for takeoff.
Yay!